In this exclusive demonstration, we will be hacking a Samsung S24 Ultra completely wireless, no USB, no physical access, just pure network-based exploitation that could happen from anywhere on the same Wi-Fi network. You witness every step of this penetration test: network reconnaissance and target identification, wireless ADB connection and establishment, remote camera and microphone access, complete file system compromise, and the most terrifying part, real-time screen control. Before we begin, crucial disclaimer: this is for educational purposes only. We are using our test devices with explicit authorization. Unauthorized access to devices is illegal and unethical. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how these attackers work, how to detect them, and most importantly, how to protect yourself. If you are ready to see real wireless Android hacking in action, let's begin. So the first thing we need to do, you head over to your Kali Linux terminal and you're going to run this command net discover. For those who don't have Kali Linux running yet, make sure you check the previous video to install Kali Linux, update the packages, and then you watch the last video on Android device reconnaissance before coming to this video. I'm going to run net discover. I already know my IP address I'm targeting, so you should be able to know the IP address you're targeting if you have so many devices running on your network. Now my IP address is this first option you see here, 10.9.9.163. That's one of my Android devices. How did I know that it's an Android device? You can see the MAC vendor shows unknown vendor, right? And we have a randomized MAC address. This is how latest Android phones will be. And the second one is the IP address of my router. The third one should be the IP address of my tablet. So this is the devices I have running on my network. If you check the previous video, you will see commands that you can run to see only Android devices on that network. I'm not going to go deep into that because this video is fully for exploitation. The next command we need to run is to update the packages we have in our system. So just run this command sudo apt update. Once you run, it's going to update your packages. Mine is displaying this way because I updated the packages already, so yours is going to take a little time. Once the update is complete, you run this command to install the tools we need for these tutorials. Sudo apt install adb nmap, and then you write scrcpy -y. This is the command you need to run. It's going to install these packages. Just hit enter. Once you hit enter, it's going to take some time to install. I installed them already, so I'm not going to do that again. But once installation is complete, you're going to see the message on your screen. And for you to confirm if it's installed, just run this command adb version. You should see this. You run nmap -- version. Next, you should see this nmap version. And lastly, you should run this other command to confirm the directory, which scrcpy, and you hit enter to confirm this directory. Once you see this, you're good to go. We can move to the next step. I'm going to run this command to discover all devices on my network running ADB, all devices on my network having ADB active. So I'm just going to run ADB devices and I hit enter. You see I have list of devices attached, and it's one device with my IP address, my target IP address, and the port is 5555, which is the default port for ADB. Let's proceed. The next thing you need to do now is connect directly to your target through a wireless mode, and that is by running the command on your screen. Once you run the command on your screen, you're going to see connection successful. I can't run it because I'm already connected. After that, you can run the following commands you see me running on my screen now, like adb shell get prop, product model, adb shell get prop, build version release to see the model of the phone, the version release of the phone. These are just important things you can already get from the mobile directly. Now that we have confirmed that we are connected to the device over a wireless network, let's run the last command, which is going to do the most incredible thing you can think of. Let's run this command scrcpy -tcp IP equal to 10.9.9.163, which is my IP address. You should replace yours with your IP address. Column 5555, which is the default port for ADB. If I hit enter, after a few seconds, it's going to display this, and boom, you see we have our Android device live on our terminal. We can do anything, we can enter anywhere, any application, read any messages. You see, I'm even trying to read messages in Google Drive, and you are working like an admin. This is how easy it is for somebody to compromise your Android device if not well protected. So always make sure you check on all links before you click on them, because this hack is not only based on local network exploitation. A professional hacker will also have access to your Android phone from a remote destination by just using social engineering and tricking you to clicking a malware. For example, if you check my screen now, this was just for demo purposes. I actually developed this one page, this malware, to explain how somebody can remotely execute the same hack we just did over a Wi-Fi network right now. With this, it shows there's an emergency attack on your device, and you will not need to read all through once you see it's from Google, right? If you click on this, it's going to display you all of this information while downloading a malware into your device. The malware is doing all of this automatically without you doing, as well as your target can still go ahead. So you're sending your target this malware based on two things. It's either the target goes through these options to enable what you need, because what you actually need from the target, if you're doing it over, if you're hacking the Android device over a different network, you will need the IP address and the port number, right? So for you to get it, is either you initiate an automated bot that is going to give you this IP address, or you trick the user into sending you this IP address. So once you launch this malware and send it to the user via email or however means you want to, and they click on this link, it's going to display all of this. If they don't give you this information like you have said they should send it to this number, if they don't give it, the automated AI in the background goes to settings, about phone, tap build number 7 times, goes to developer options, wireless debugging, and then hit this IP address and sends it directly into your terminal. You don't need them to send you this, you just want them to follow up to be able to click this link. So this is how easy it is for somebody to access your Android device from anywhere in the world and over your wireless connection. If you like this video and want me to drop more videos on ethical hacking tips, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it to your friends so we can build a bigger community, and don't forget to mention what you want me to hack next in the comment section. I will see you in the next video.